Hi, The Shadow and the Promise is a great book that looks at Bible stories through the lens of animals. This is the first in a series by Marty Machowski, and The Shadow and the Promise starts in the Garden of Eden, but I'm going to read further on in the back. Lotus, a striped cat, spied the creature as it completed her patrol. She bounded all the way up the stairs and sounded the alert. Safu! A Naja is in the palace. Safu stretched. Chaws sprang from his front paws. Not for long, he said. Keen eyes, my love. Each day, Pharaoh's cats patrolled his palaces like top secret agents. They could go wherever they pleased, spying out danger. They rid the palace of rats, frogs, and flies, but their most critical service was hunting the Naja. The Naja, the snake, shows up in various forms in these stories, and this is a wonderful, wonderful family read.